Guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss how to use MiniMax M3 for free. So if I open there Ollama, so here new chat. So here you can see this model that installed MiniMax M2 7 is there, not 3. So there I'm going to use there MiniMax M3. For this one, in Google search box, write the Ollama, then go on this ollama.com site. There, you need to go on this model. There you can get their MiniMax M3. Click this. Then you can see this number of download updated 22 hours ago. Now this you can see there. So here this command you can use. So here copy, and now this is for Cloud Code open Herman Codex. Thereafter open there command prompt CLS. So here you need to use this command Ollama run MiniMax. Press enter. And this here you can see connecting to MiniMax M3 Ollama run. Thereafter write there hi. So this is now thinking how can I help you, returning the output so fastly. So the second question is what exactly generative AI. So you can see this is turning so quickly and fastly. This all. Now thereafter here this Ollama is there. So MiniMax M3 that's come there. So this time you can see MiniMax M3 you can come there. So here you can now currently using their MiniMax M3. Then you can also write any query. So I have given the hi. What exactly I am using. So you are using MiniMax Assistant technology and this returning there. Code analysis, answering brainstorms. My knowledge is cut off of January 2026. Okay, now here you can use this new model MiniMax M3. Okay, so this is by using this command. Here, by using this command, you can easily use this MiniMax M3 inside your Windows operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.